What's going on, YouTube? Look at the size of this package. Who's that from? Oh yeah, let's get the cut here. That's it on over. Hold on, y'all, let me get this open. I want y'all to see this before I even open this box any further. Look at the damage to the box. It's destroyed and it's wet as could be, so wet as hell. Yeah, let me open this up some more. All right, boys and girls, first part of the package so we can rebuild the asuga. Some happy candy, love that. Some hinge pins, some arms, some more braces, some new battery straps, new battery tray. And what do we got here? That, ladies and gentlemen, is a Kagama. But let's open him up and see what's wrong with him because he's all wet and nasty. Let's just do us a slight little unboxing here. My work knife coming handy right now. Get out of here. What do we have here, boys and girls? Look at that. Look at that. Bad dude. Let's get him on out there. Oh, sorry, y'all. I covered you up. Right there's the one. Or no, we'll see the color and all that when I finish unboxing it, but there it is, y'all. Kagama. Let's finish this up. All right, y'all. Which color did we get? Oh, I gave it away. There it is. We didn't even point her out yet. We got the matching. Look how sweet this thing is. Holy crap. Yeah, let's take a look inside her. Sorry about the thing, y'all. Oh, there she is in all her glory. Look at this machine. Oh, I'm excited. Oh my gosh, look at them shocks. They're so plush. Holy crap, that's plush. I'm excited to finally see it in person. We got the matching asuga up there to rebuild. Oh, this is nice. All right, y'all. There's your unboxing. Next video out, we'll be ripping this thing. If you ain't doing something you love, you're doing something wrong. Team Corrali in the house, baby.